Dami ng
hindi ko
mga
rin
yan.
pala sagutin yung
Ako
question.
for me, like I said, it was the nostalgia part of it. Na I like the and the interplay of things. Kumari, I don't know if I'm giving too much away of the story. For example, we've all had crushes. I've had so many crushes na lagi akong binabasted. Lagi. And in your head, you as a kid, you think that's love. That's what love is. Pero that might be yung hilaw, the premature. Like we said, we put labels on something. I put label on love too often before as a young boy growing up. I was using the wrong labels. That's why I'm very wary of labels. You say it's love, hindi pala. You're putting someone on a pedestal, you're creating an image of a person that you're falling in love with someone else. Not that person na akala mo, yung crush mo, pare, akala mo, supermodel, ano mga qualities na hinihindaw mo dun na you never know, hindi pala sila ganun.
Or parang
baka gusto
crush
rin nila ng Star Wars, ganito, siguro ganito din. Parang you idealize them enough. At Karina definitely did that with Carlo. And you're falling in love with a person that may not be who they are. And sometimes the interesting thing is when you actually get to know that person, mas okay pala yung totoong tao kaysa yung nasa isip mo. Kaya I think that's the beauty I find in this film. Na sometimes it's not what you fall in love with, it's who you fall in love
Or
with.
sometimes it's not always yung sabi mo, the first time. Di ba?
You take a second look.
Oo.
You take a second look.
Yun, I guess yung feeling na it will take everybody back to their,
Kasi we've all had
youthful childhood.
that kind of feeling, whether not in college, high school, grade
Yes.
school, talagang you liked someone and maybe they didn't like you back, or maybe they did like you back, naging kayo, pero yung ngayon gabi, hindi pala siya yung gusto ko, crush ko siya dati, pero hindi pala kami pwede, parang bakit ganun?